Hello viewers, this is Karuna classes for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am Vijay Singh, I am technically skilled and chartered engineer. In this presentation, the topic of discussion is what skills and qualities required for engineering students. First, let us talk about the mission of an engineering institution, which must be number one, to produce an efficient and competent engineering professionals and to become a center of excellence in the field of imparting degree in engineering education. Second one, to develop skills at par with the eminent institution of the country and guide the students to become an efficient and competent professionals. The quality and skill required for engineering students. To be an efficient and skillful engineer, the engineering students must have the following qualities and basic skills. Knowledge of science and mathematics. The students must know scientific rules and mathematics which help to solve problems. Active listening, giving full attention to what other people are saying. Taking time to understand the points being made. Asking questions at appropriate time and not interrupting at inappropriate time. Active writing, communicating effectively in writing as appropriate for the needs of the others. Reading comprehension, understanding written sentences and paragraphs in work-related documents. Speaking, talking to others to convey information effectively. Active learning, understanding the implications of new information for both current and future, problem solving and decision making. Learning strategies, selecting and using instructional methods and procedures appropriate for the situation when learning new things. Critical thinking, the students must use logic and reasoning to identify the strengths and weaknesses of alternative solutions and conclusions. Knowledge of engineering drawing. It is essential part. The engineering drawing communicates what is required, wanted and needed to enable resources to turn an idea into reality. Technical design, generating or adapting equipment and technology to serve user needs. Troubleshooting, this is the most important skill which must be acquired by engineers to determine causes of operating errors and making quick decision what to do about it. Decision making, considering the relative costs and benefits of potential actions to choose the most appropriate one. Time management, managing one's own time and time of others. Coordination, adjusting actions in relation to others' actions. Equipment selection, knowledge of determining the kind of tools and equipment needed to do a job. Operation and control, knowledge of controlling operations of equipment or systems. Installation, skill for installing equipment, machines, wiring or programs to meet specifications. Consistency, the continuous development of engineering skill never ends. Keep on learning by conducting tests and have patience while doing so. That's all about the skill required for engineering students. Thank you all for watching.